Welcome to the Summertime Skincare Guide, where we unveil the secrets to achieving radiant and healthy skin. During the sun-drenched days, summer, my absolute favorite season, is a time of warmth, sunshine, and outdoor activities. Today, we embark on a journey of creating a specialized skincare routine, tailored for the sunny season. As the temperature rises, so does the importance of adapting our skincare regimen to meet the unique challenges posed by increased sun exposure and higher temperatures. Cleanser. Let's begin our summer skincare routine with a focus on cleansing. In the heat of summer, the choice of cleanser becomes pivotal. Opt for a cleanser with a bit more foaming action to effectively remove excess oils, especially as sweating becomes more frequent. However, balance is key. Choose a gentle cleanser to avoid overstripping your skin. Considering the increased cleansing frequency during summer, look for ingredients like antioxidants in your cleanser, although their effectiveness may be better in leave-on products. Hydration is crucial, and ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and squalene play a significant role in maintaining your skin's moisture balance. Squalene, in particular, is exceptional for its hydrating properties and is an excellent choice to protect your skin barrier. If you're in the market for a new cleanser, the Bioasin Squalene and Amino Aloe Gel Cleanser offer a fantastic blend of foaming action, gentle cleansing, and hydration. This cleanser not only cleans but also leaves a mild squalene finish, ensuring your skin is clean and moisturized without feeling stripped. Toner. Moving on to the toner, a crucial step in preparing your skin for subsequent treatments. In the summer, opt for a toner that focuses on balancing and hydrating your skin. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin to retain moisture without weighing your skin down. A hydrating toner not only boosts moisture levels, but also soothes and refreshes your skin. Consider toners with calming ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera, perfect for post-cleansing care in the summer. Remember, the toner sets the stage for the products you'll apply next, so choose one that aligns with the needs of your summer skin. Serums. As we delve into serums, a crucial step in your summer skincare routine, the focus shifts to lightweight, hydrating, and antioxidant-rich formulations. Hyaluronic acid becomes a star ingredient, ensuring your skin stays hydrated without feeling heavy. Antioxidant-rich serums featuring vitamins C and E or green tea extract are essential for protecting your skin from environmental damage, particularly the sun's harmful UV rays. Tailor your serum choices to address specific concerns, such as hyperpigmentation, while ensuring compatibility with your skin type. Copper peptides. Let's explore the inclusion of copper peptides in your skincare routine. These compounds, combining copper with small protein fragments called peptides, have garnered attention for their potential benefits. Copper peptides are believed to promote collagen and elastin production, contributing to improved skin elasticity and firmness. With antioxidant properties, they help to protect skin from free radical damage caused by factors like UV exposure and pollution. In the context of a summer skincare routine, copper peptides can be a valuable addition, assisting in maintaining skin health amidst increased sun exposure. When incorporating copper peptide products, conduct a patch test to ensure skin tolerance and follow usage instructions for optimal results. Moisturizer. Now, let's emphasize the importance of a moisturizer in your summer skincare routine. Even in warmer months, maintaining skin hydration is crucial. Looking for a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer, such as gel-based or water-based formulations, which provide hydration without feeling heavy. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin are beneficial for retaining moisture, especially in the face of increased sun exposure and activities leading to dehydration. Sunscreen becomes a vital component of your daytime moisturizer during the summer. If your moisturizer lacks SPF, ensure you layer it with a broad-spectrum sunscreen to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Choose a product that suits your skin type and addresses specific concerns like oiliness or sensitivity. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is non-negotiable and pivotal in your summer skincare regimen. Protecting your skin from UV rays is paramount to thwarting sun damage and premature aging, and mitigating the risk of skin cancer. Choose a broad-spectrum formula that guards against both UVA and UVB rays with an SPF of at least 30. Lightweight formulations like gel-based or oil-free options are ideal for the warmer months, ensuring comfort without a heavy or greasy residue. Apply generously to all exposed areas, including your face, neck, ears, and any skin not covered by clothing. Don't forget often overlooked regions like the tops of your feet and the back of your hands. Reapply every 2 hours or more frequently if engaged in swimming or strenuous activities. In your morning routine, make sunscreen the final step to ensure its efficacy. Consistent and diligent sunscreen use is one of the most effective strategies for maintaining healthy and youthful-looking skin while curbing the risk of sun-induced issues. Nighttime. In the nighttime skincare routine, the initial and pivotal step is cleansing, especially given the probability of sunscreen use during the day. Adopting a double cleansing strategy is essential, offering flexibility between micellar water or a cleansing balm, depending on daily preferences. Follow this with the same gentle cleanser from the morning routine, ensuring the removal of all traces of sunscreen and makeup, leaving the skin clean but not stripped. Moving to the second step, consider incorporating antioxidants at night, particularly crucial in the summer for scavenging residual damage from sun exposure. Copper peptides or vitamin C can complement this stage. When exploring active ingredients, using alpha hydroxy acids or AHAs is viable in the summer, though careful attention to sun sensitivity is crucial. Sunscreen application becomes even more critical, or you may opt to skip exfoliation, especially anticipating sun exposure. The ongoing debate about retinoids and sun sensitivity acknowledges the importance of personal tolerance. If comfortable, retinol can be part of the routine. Post-active treatments, moisturizing becomes paramount. Whether opting for the same lightweight gel moisturizer or richer night cream, the objective is to offset irritation from active ingredients and promote the recovery of the skin barrier during sleep. Simplicity in using the same moisturizer both morning and night offers consistency and support for overall skin well-being. And there you have it, the comprehensive guide to achieving a radiant and healthy skin throughout the summer. From the morning routine that sets the stage for a fresh day to the evening rituals designed to rejuvenate and repair, each step plays a crucial role in pursuing luminous and healthy skin. Remember, skincare is not just a routine. It's a self-care ritual, a moment you give yourself daily. The keys to unlocking that radiant glow are the commitment to understanding your skin's unique needs, the careful selection of products, and the consistency in your routine. As you embark on your radiant skin journey, embrace simplicity, listen to your skin, and savor the moments of self-care. May your skin glow with vitality, reflecting the care and attention you've bestowed upon it. Until next time, revel in the beauty of your radiant skin.